Today, we review the best 5 guitar kit that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. Number 1. Leo James Guitar Kits. Set-in-neck AX-style electric guitar DIY kits. Explorer-style mahogany body and drilled cavities. Shaped headstock with 6 machine heads holes. Brightly chrome color control knob and hardwares. All cavity drilled for pickups and control knobs. 2 humbucker picks and 2 pneumatic bridge. All necessary hardwares, components and wires are included. Number 2. Donner DST 100S. SSH pickups, 2 classic single coil pickups / 1 power 203S humbucker pickup. SSH pickups perfect for a Texas blues / rock sound. Maple neck with C-shaped profile laurel wood fingerboard, Canadian maple neck, solid basswood body, SSH pickups, 5-ways pickup switch, 2 volume and tone controls. 22 copper nickel frets. The electric guitar features a pickup selector switch, a volume knob, and 2 different tone knobs. 22 copper nickel frets with fret position marks on neck and top of fingerboard. High-quality accessories comes with amplifier, bag, capo, strap, string, tuner, cable, and pick as gifts. Rechargeable guitar mini amplifier. There are 2 tone channels, clean / distortion. You can get different tones by adjusting gain and tone, which is more suitable for playing different styles of music. Easy control and little size and tube sound. Number 3. Beck's Gears Guitar Kits. Electric guitar kits. Okame wood body comes with unpolished okame body, maple neck and composite ebony fingerboard with white pickguard, all parts and all electronic components. It is easy to build your own electric guitar. We have included instructions with the product to better assist you with this project. If your instructions is lost, please let us know and we will send it to you in PDF format. Number 4. The Fretwire Guitar Kit. Looking for something a little different than your classic guitar body shapes? This is it. Cool shape with an oversized headstock. Cut your own shape into the headstock, or leave it as is if you ever need a canoe paddle in a pinch. Build your own electric guitar with our WV-style electric guitar kit. It comes with all accessories. Whether you're a man or woman, beginner or a pro, teen or adult, this is for all. Everything you need to make your own electric guitar. This kit contains everything you need to build your guitar. Just add your finished materials to the body and neck. These kits aren't just a collection of random parts. Each neck has been custom fitted to the body to ensure a good, snug fit. Includes an unfinished, pre-drilled body, fretted neck, all electronics, and hardware. Kits are sold as complete kits only. Basic instructions are included. Number 5. Lyx Pro Guitar Kit. Complete guitar set. Ultimate starter package includes full-size guitar and all the parts and equipment they need to rock straight out the box. Perfect choice for novice and intermediate players. 39-inch electric guitar, perfect for beginner and intermediate players. Plug-in guitar features high-quality materials including premium rosewood fingerboard, Canadian maple neck, volume / tone, SSS pickups, knobs and more. 20-watt amplifier with cable pack includes 20W amp with built-in speaker, headphone jack and AUX input for playing along to music on phone or MP3 player. Integrated controls include gain, bass, treble, volume and grind. Digital tuner and accessories. Battery-operated mini clip-on tuner and instruction book teaches kids to tune their guitar for best sound quality. Kit also comes with 6 steel strings, 2 picks and comfortable shoulder strap. Give the gift of beautiful music. All-in-one set for dummies is a budding musician's dream. From home to school to lessons, learning the guitar has never been so easy. Perfect present for Christmas, birthday and beyond. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.